Since we started something more. So we can solve one problem. Just revise last class few minutes, then you can do problems. Okay, fine. I think so. Still, our friends is joining. I hope not this much only strength. We'll see. You can solve before that one, at least one problem. Alright, shall we do one neat question? Huh? Easy one. After that, we can come to back our previous JE questions because still our friends is joining. That's why we can do one neat question. See, are you able to do or not like this? Yes, sir. Right. Practice purpose, all are same level. You can see to improve our confidence per okay, all these things. And this is the number of atoms, the number of atoms in 0.1 mole of triatomic gas. Triatomic gas. So I hope you know Avogadro number, Na value giving in bracket 6.022 or 6.02 into 10 power 23 mole inverse. So this is the question. Okay, you can find out which is a related formula, then find. Already I think so previously I given all formulas. Please revise and try to solve this question. Good morning, good morning. Please try to do that one. Nothing. Here is same JE and NEET. Only level of problem is different. Because NEET student they have to do one question within the 1 minute. JE student may can do that question within 2 minutes. That's only. So sometimes little bit calculation is there for JE, but need mostly direct formula application questions. You don't need to think second step. First step only can get questions, But JEE, you need to think 2 to 3 steps. That's the only difference, JEE and NEET. Because someone they're asking, that's why. Okay, okay. Very good. Some people already they provide answer. Good, sir. Good. I think so. Given number of first write formula, then write number of atoms equal to. Sir, also number of atoms equal to n into Avogadro number into atomicity. I think so. Number of moles already they given 0.1 into Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 power 23. I think so. They mention here triatomic means 3 atoms into 3. So this is your answer, sir. I think you can write approximately 18 into 10 power 22. So otherwise 1.8 into 10 power 23. So this is your answer, sir. Please find if you done any mistake. Please check that is if you done any mistake. This is the basic formula. First substitute, then you can do. Clear? You can get now only started na. After few questions, few classes, you can get everything clearly. We will discuss all your NCRT problems also. Don't worry. If you have some NCRT question doubts, please send that one question numbers. I may can send you personally or whatever. Approximately equal. That's only this meaning. This symbol is approximately equal. Not exactly equal value, which is I'm giving symbol. If you write like this means approximately equal. What is wrong here? Anything here? Can you find? N atoms I'm giving. Number of moles into Avogadro number into atomicity. Triatomic means 3 atoms. Okay. Gas that is triatomic gas. Nothing here. Just gas that is triatomic. Gas spelling GAS only, na? Anything changed? Because someone they're asking what is a gas? Sorry for we can't answer every difficult questions for you people. Gas also you are asking means what I can do for you. That's we can say, sir. Gas means you can take molecules, but I given here triatomic. Okay. Oxygen gas means you can take O2 only. That is fixed, correct. Okay, molecules only. If atoms means they will mention. Here I given triatomic gas means how many atoms is there in that gas? 3. That's why multiplied into 3. So shall we do one more question? Na is doesn't matter 6.022. Take approximately, that is no issue. That is. I'm taking here 1.8. One more question we can do. Don't be like that. In future, we are going to be do so many approximations because every question you can't get exact value. If you are getting that is too good. Okay. If you are able to do that one, too good. And try sir 2011. I'm giving here. We'll do our JE questions also because still our friends joining. That's why I'm giving these questions. For conference purpose only, all this we are doing. Please note down that question. Please note down. Which has the maximum number of molecules? Which has the maximum number of molecules? which has the maximum number of molecules. So please find what is the molecules, how to calculate formula. Please find that is from where you noted down notes. Options I am giving sir here. Option A, 44 grams of CO2. Option B, 48 grams of O3. Option C, 8 grams of H2. Option D, 64 grams of SO2. Yes. Anyone? You can try. This is the question. Are already answers given? Are very fast. Too good, sir. Option C, SO2. Yes, very good, sir, very good. Most of the answers is correct. Here, correct. Your answers is correct. Very good, very good. Yeah, fine. We understood that one. So number of molecules. What is the formula, sir? Number of molecules equal to. Already done. Please. This is because of some people they are not able to give answers. For them, I am writing. But most of the people give answers. Very good, sir. Number of molecules equal to n into Avogadro number. I hope I given this formula. N you can have because Avogadro number is common for every case. So we are multiplying with Na. This is common point. We don't want to think that is. Then only think about n. Which one have highest number of n? Higher the number of molecules. First case, n equal to how much? CO2 weight by gram molecular mass. So 44 by, what is the CO2 molecular weight? 44. You will get 1 mole. Then second one, same here also. Option A this is, option B 48 by 48. This is also 1 mole. Option C 8 by, how much sir? 2, 4. Option D 64 by, I think so 64 only, 1. So which one have highest number of moles here? 4. This is 1, 1 more, 4. What is your answer? Highest the number of moles, higher the molecules. Any doubt? Yes, correct. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Very good. Most of the people you get correct answers. If anyone you are not doing, that people, okay, for them I given here solution. This 2011 JEE mains, sorry, JEE NEET. Shall we do our JEE question, previous questions? 2 questions of JEE questions also you can do. They are not showing any interest, yes or no at least. Okay, fine. We can do our JEE questions now. I think so I given 1 mole of electron weight. How much I given? How many kgs? Please, can you see that one? 1 mole of electron weight. I think so last class I given. Can you see how to do that one? These are old questions little bit, but still you can try. We are able to solve or not. That's our target. Okay. Please can note down that question. Whenever I'm dictating, if you note down very fast, we can do more number of questions. If you are asking again repeats means we can't. That's up to you, sir. Because time is fixed, 1 hour only. Our target maximum number of questions, right? This is old question, 1979. Okay, Fine, we can try, huh? No issue. Right, sir. The large number of molecules is in the large number of molecules is in option A. You can write 36 grams of water. Array, you observe or not, I don't know. So after solve this question, we'll discuss. 36 grams of water. Option B. 28 grams of carbon monoxide. Option D. 46 grams of ethyl alcohol. Array, C, this is not D, huh? Please. Last one. 54 grams of nitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. This is a question. Please find. Done. Array, I didn't see answers. Sorry. Huh? What is the answer, sir? Option A. Most of the people option A. More number of moles. Again, I think so. A is the correct answer, sir. I think so. 2 moles here. But here 1 mole. Here also 1 mole. Here maybe less than 1 we are expecting. Okay. So answer is A. Very good. Shall we do one more question? One more. Right, sir. This is 2001 question. Even you can find out so many books also the same question, because mostly previous question they will give. Right, sir. How many moles of electron weight is 1 kilogram? How many moles of electron weight 1 kilogram? This is the question. Who can give answer? Options is there. Are you able to hear my voice? If any disturbance, you know that one, huh? Please. Fine. Thank you. I think so. Last time I given one question. Calculate the 1 mole of electron weight equal to. I hope you know that one. 1 electron weight equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus. I don't want to solve fully. I think you need options. I will try to give options also, sir. You don't want to solve fully. The first option is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Option B, 1 by 9.01. Sorry, 108, sir. This is 8 exact value into 10 power 31. Option C. Let me know if you are not understanding, which I am writing also. 6.023 by 9.108 into 10 power 54. Option D. 1 by 9.01, sorry, 108. Hey, just keep in mind that's only 9 is more than enough. Huh? Into 6.023 into 10 power 8. Which option you are expecting answers? Are you able to see my screen? Some people they said screen is not visible. Yes, yes, fine, fine. Thank you. Now which option, sir? Some people they given option D. Did you got answer on paper? Very good. D, option D. Okay. Things how to solve already given, sir. 1 electron weight equal to 9.108, I think so, into 10 power minus 31 kg. Okay. You may can find out 1 mole of electron weight, how much, sir? 1 mole means Avogadro number. And you can do different method also, no issue. You may can do easiest method than me. I can accept that is. Okay. Because one problem you can do different methods. That's why. Maybe some people are doing very easiest method also. 9.108 into 10 power minus 31 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is the kg, sir, weight. Okay. Avogadro number of weight is this much. Is it correct? Or 1 mole of electrons weight is this is indirectly. But I need how much weight, sir? Avogadro number weight equal to this is the weight. This is 1 electron weight. You may can do this is 1 kg equal to what are the questions, sir? Can we see that how many moles of electron weight equal to 1 kilogram? Yes, this is 1 mole of electron weight equal to this much. Then I'm getting 1 kg weight equal to how many moles? We can do back this cross. 1 mole of electron weight equal to this much. I'm multiplying. Then 1 kg of weight equal to how many moles? Then do back this cross. I can get here y can take y equal to 1 by 9.108 into 10 power 31 minus 31 23. How much will you get, sir? You can try that is 6.023 into 8. I think is it correct? You can write 8. What we done, sir? 1 mole of electron weight I calculated this much, this many kilograms. Then 1 kg equal to how many moles? Back this class. Yes, correct. Option D you are getting, everyone. Simple calculation. I'm giving just idea, and that's only. 1 mole of electron weight equal to I'm calculating this many kgs. Then 1 kg equal to how many moles? Back this class, like vegetable calculation. Understood? Very good, very good. Or if you are not getting even, please, I think so you have my number. Please send me back. We'll try. Next question, shall we do? One more question, sir. 2003. All these are JEE questions only I'm doing. Which has maximum number of atoms? Which has maximum number of atoms? Maximum number of atoms is the question. Option A. Right? 24 grams of carbon. Option B, 56 grams of iron. Fe atomic mass 56 only, sir. 27 grams of aluminum. 108 grams of Ag. Ag weight also 108 grams. I think so. You don't want to do too much. Just find answer directly. You may can give. Are very fast are giving answers, huh? Even you don't want to use pen also. Yes, very good, sir. Very good. Correct answers. All are correct. People giving. Even nothing is wrong. Correct. Good. My interest is JE or NEET. We are getting same type of questions. Did you find that one? Previous we are asking molecules, atoms, all are same type of questions. If you done previous questions very well, even advanced means whatever doesn't matter here. We can get 80% score for every exam. 80%. So always I'm suggesting whenever I'm teaching my classes, we should have previous JE. Suppose you are doing JE, you should have previous JE book. That 34 years or 35 years is there. No, sorry, 42 years. That book we need to buy. Then we have to solve from that book each question. Even sir, this nowadays they are not asking subjective questions. Please don't do that one. We need to solve each and every question. Okay. Answer is A. Is it correct? Find here 2 moles is there, sir. Option A is have 2 moles. 24 by 12. So 2 moles. But remaining all they have 1 mole. So that's why this maximum answer. Clear? So I'm expecting from you as soon as by previous JE book, previous questions contain JE book. From that, we need to solve each and every question. Maybe we can accept that is some questions are outdated, but concept is same. Same type of question will repeat again. So at least you have to do minimum before you are writing your JE exam, sir. 3 times you have to complete that 40, maybe 42 or 43 years book is there. Minimum 3 times you have to complete that book, each and every question. Then we are ready to solve. We are preparing advance. Minimum 3 times. This word you can keep in mind. Maybe in future we are coming to teach for you are not secondary. Okay, but this is guidance is fixed. That is, please buy that book and do 3 times minimum. That is before you are writing exam. Clear? So just I am giving these questions, which is where teaching is proper way, and where for confidence purpose I given previous questions. You can go further concepts, sir. Fine. You can buy Arihant publications is there, MTG publication is there. Even for NEET also, sir. Even for NEET also, please buy previous book, previous questions. If you open one Amazon or Flipkart, they will use too many books brand. Any brand doesn't matter. We need previous questions. Yes, Singh is also very good. Even I preferred Singh also. Even next we are going to be suggest for JE books. Singh brand you can buy. Chemistry. Clear. I will send that is one day all the books names also I will share you. But doesn't matter, sir. All the books are copy paste. If all different books have different syllabus means you won't prepare, sir, one exam. But brand only different. Clear? But content is same. Content is same. Yes, I will give, sir. I will give that books names also. Everything I will give. We'll see that one. Don't worry that one. I will help you 100%. Don't worry that one. Fine. I think so. We can do next concept. Right, sir. Stoichiometric calculations. Stoichiometric calculations. Can you try stoichiometric calculations? If anything missing, again we'll do. Don't worry that one. Identity given in case of gas related questions, we'll see that one, gas related questions also. I forgot to give that one. Again, we can add that type of questions. Hmm? Stoichiometric calculations. Stoichiometric calculations. Fine. Now, sir, these are different type of calculations. We are giving mainly few we can discuss. Mole relation problems. Mole relation problems. Mole. All are same example, same type. That's only mole weight relation problems. Mole volume relation problems. Weight relation problems. Volume relation problems. Right. Weight volume relation problems. Even you can write different also, doesn't matter. All have only one category. If you understood any two models, remaining you can do all the models. Even you don't want to solve that one category also. Clear? So these are the type of problems. If you note it down, then you can proceed first type. Mole relation problems you can solve. Which is your understanding, you can write your own words also, how to solve problem, how to do that one. That's up to you, sir. The student to student different. Whatever you understood, you can write your own words. Even Tamil also doesn't matter. But ultimately, you have to understand. That's our intensity. Huh? If you write your own language, which you understood, own means my intensity, own words. Whatever you understood, how to solve this problem, this method, that you can keep long time and you can approach any question, sir, easy way. But which I am dictating always, you are noted down me, that won't be long time. Hmm? Fine. Please try to write your own words. First one I'm going to discuss, sir. Mole relations. We are going to discuss. First one. Mole relation means we are discussing only examples, sir. No definition, nothing. Only examples. Huh? They will give you question in terms of moles. They're asking moles. That is a mole relation means. For example, I know that one H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl. Every stoichiometric equation, you have to know balancing equation. First, you need to balance equation. That is the first priority. Clear? This is the equation. So 1 mole, this is 1 mole, we'll get here 2 moles of HCl. Is it clear? Any doubt? Now we can see. This is the basic data. This is, we should be know that one. In examination, they won't provide basic balancing equation and how many moles they have, that should be hard to know. This is the thing. Can you write question here? Please write. I am dictating only. Note down starting on words. Right, sir. 0.25 moles of H2, 0.25 moles of H2 reacted with Cl2 and form HCl. Reacted with Cl2 and form HCl under given conditions. Under given conditions, calculate the number of moles of HCl formed. Calculate the number of moles of HCl is formed. Calculate the number of moles of HCl is formed. 0.25 moles of H2 reacted with Cl2 and form HCl under given conditions. Calculate the HCl formed in this reaction. Then Yes, correct, sir. Correct answers. I didn't write anything. I stop here. Screen is not tracking, sir. I stop here. What is the question, sir? This is the basic equation. We have to know that one. 1 mole gives how many moles of? Yes, correct, correct. Array, 0.5. Why you are getting some people 0.05? Maybe calculation mistake you can find. So this is the equation. You can find 1 mole H2 will give how much, sir? 2 moles of HCl. Then 0.25 moles of HCl will H2 will give how much? This is X value. X equal to 0.25 into 2 by 1. How much will you get, sir? 0.25 into 2. 0.5. Is it correct or anything wrong? Fine. Are any difficult? Please, when you find any difficult, because we have to know this equation first. 1 mole gives 2 moles, then 0.25 gives how much? Like vegetable calculations. Like vegetable calculations, sir. One mango is 2 rupees, then 0.25 mango cost how much? Like that. All these are vegetable calculations only. Very easy, all these sums. All are vegetable calculations or fruit calculation. If you know that one, we can do very well. Now we can do one more sum also, don't worry. Huh? So I'm giving one more sum. Please, shall you try one more sum? We can try, sir, one more. One more question I'm giving. Please find. All right. Right, sir. 2 moles of oxygen. 2 moles of oxygen reacted with hydrogen and forms water. Reacted with hydrogen and forms water. Calculate the number of moles of water formed. Calculate the number of moles of water formed under given conditions. So like this way they will give question. First you need to write balancing equation. That's they won't provide, sir. H2 plus O2 gives rise H2O. So if 2H2 are taking, we'll get 2H2O. This is balancing equation. Now what is the question, sir? They given. How many moles of oxygen? 2 moles. So 1 mole will give, this is 1 in front of this. 1 mole will give 2 moles of water. Okay, then 2 moles of O2 will give how much? So X equal to 4 moles of water molecule. Are you understood or not? First, this is. Yes, correct. You got correct answer, sir. Now, who are not understood previous example, please find. Let me know if you are not understand again. Because question will give like that only. If anyone they are not understanding, please let me know. Question they will give in the form of sentence. Then you have to write equation. Then followed by you have to do. Let me know if anyone you are not understand. Right, I didn't understand like that way. If you are not getting. Previous one now we can do. I think so you understood right now this example suppose. Then do previous one practice question. Hydrogen I didn't talk about that one. Okay, that sufficient number of moles of hydrogen is given. Then only think about oxygen because I'm asking only oxygen. Please find. Question they are given 2 moles of oxygen reacted with hydrogen, they form water. Clear? Even hydrogen number of moles they given or not, you have to write balancing equation. Without hydrogen, you can't form water molecule. So water also you have, hydrogen also you have to balance. 1 mole according to equation, 1 mole of oxygen will form how many mole of water, sir? 2 moles of water. Then 2 moles of oxygen will form how many moles of water? That is a question. Array, one mango cost is 2 rupees. Then okay, 2 mangoes cost how much? That's why I'm asking. Very simple. One O2 will give 2 moles of water molecules. Then 2 O2 will give how many molecules? How many water moles? That's only answer. Then why you are thinking different way? I don't know. Please find. Let me know even your ideology also. Correct. If you want with respect to hydrogen, 2 moles of hydrogen will give 2 moles of water. Correct. That is also correct. 2 moles of hydrogen will give 2 moles of water. If I am asking with respect to hydrogen, you can proceed with respect to hydrogen. Clear? If I am asking with respect to oxygen, you can proceed with respect to oxygen. Data given with respect to whom you have to see first. The data given with respect to hydrogen or oxygen, please find. Then according to that, you can proceed. Correct. 2 moles of hydrogen will give 2 moles of water. That is also correct. 1 mole of oxygen will give 2 moles of water. That is also correct. Nothing is wrong here. But I given data with respect to oxygen. Correct. If question is 2 moles of hydrogen given, how much water will form means 2 moles of water only will form. Clear? With respect to both, they will ask. That is, we are going to discuss next concept. I don't worry that one. With respect to both, also they can ask. That is, we'll discuss next concept. So, these are vegetable calculations. Very simple. With respect to equation, you have to write first. Then according to that, you can calculate. Very simple. This is second method, sir. Now only started now. Please practice that questions will get. You don't worry that one. Now we are listening first time. At least we are understanding that much means also too good. Someone they're asking why sir 2 moles of water, 2 moles of hydrogen. Are you able to see question? Equation, balancing equation. How many moles of hydrogen is there here? 2. How many moles of water is there? 2. Balancing equation only. According to balancing equation only I'm solving. I'm not giving any new thing. According to balancing equation. So here 2 moles of, please find sir. Here 2 moles of hydrogen reacting. Here 1 mole of oxygen reacting. Here 2 moles of water forming. So 2 moles hydrogen will give 2 moles of water. 1 mole of oxygen will give 2 moles of water. Any one you can ask with respect to that. Clear? Okay, fine. Second one. What is the second one, sir? Mole weight. Is it correct? Mole weight relation. So you can get by ending all the which is given 6 or 7 methods. We will get again back everything we can get clearly. Mole weight. What is the meaning this one, sir? This one. They may will give moles. They can ask weight. Otherwise, they will give weight. They can ask mole. These are the interrelations. Clear? For example, same example also you can take, sir. No issue here. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl. Here 1 mole. This is also 1 mole. This is 2 moles. Array mole means in front of that number I am writing. Here nothing is there, that's why 1. 1 mole means how many grams, sir? 2 grams. 1 mole means 71 grams. Here 2 moles means 2 into 36.5 grams. Nothing but 73 grams can I take? So this is. They can give moles and they will ask weight. Suppose 1 mole hydrogen reacting with chlorine. How many grams of HCl will form? 73. Or 1 mole of Cl2 reacting with H2. How many grams of Cl to HCl forming? 73. Like that. First note down this point. Mole weight. Either they will give moles, they can ask weight, or they make and give weight, they can ask moles also. Please note down. You can do one more problem. A basic equation with balancing, and under that molecular weight, number of moles you need to write. One mole weight is 1 gram. That is gram molecule, not 1 gram. Huh? This is 1 mole of H2 weight. How much, sir? Each hydrogen 1 plus 1, 2 grams. Is it correct? H2 weight is 2 grams. Only hydrogen weight is 1 gram. Please find that difference. Huh? Already I discussed examples with that. Even your notes, you can refer that one. Now, can you go one more? Even question also you can solve. This basic data you have to know. Anyway, I need to test for you one more also, sir. But you are not doing. Please write number of moles and weight, everything right under this equation. Write number of moles, weight, everything you can write under this equation. Please note down. Completed, let me know that one. Done. Fine. Good, sir. N2, 1 mole. And in front of this, how many moles? This is 1 mole, sir. This is 3. This is 2. You can write here 1 mole, 3 moles. You need to write balancing equation first. 2 mole. Try to practice balancing equation. These are simple things, 10th standard only. We'll discuss actual JE level later, how to balancing equations. 1 mole. What is the weight of this one, sir? 28 grams. 3 moles weight, how much, sir? H2 is 2 and 6 grams. This is 2 into 17. This basic thing we have to know. In examination, they won't provide this. Understood? They won't provide in examination this data. You should be ready to solve this data. If you know this data, how to write, then we can proceed next step. Clear? Now write one question, sir. Right. I'm giving simple question, right? 5 moles of oxygen. 5 moles of oxygen reacted with magnesium. 5 moles of oxygen reacted with magnesium and forms magnesium oxide Calculate the amount of magnesium oxide formed. Calculate the amount of magnesium oxide formed at given conditions. At given conditions. Clear? 5 moles of oxygen reacted with magnesium and forms magnesium oxide. Calculate the weight of magnesium oxide under given conditions. Array, my question is amount. Amount means weight. Clear? My question is amount. Weight, how much we are getting? Weight, sir. Correct. We are giving moles is very good. At least we are getting. We have idea. That's very good. Magnesium plus oxygen. You can write. What is the magnesium oxide formula? You need to apply crisscross method. Don't write again mistakes, sir. This is 2 plus 2 minus. Both will be cancelled. We'll get MgO is the magnesium oxide. Don't write again mistakes. So 2 Mg, 2 moles of magnesium and 1 mole of oxygen will give 2 moles of magnesium oxide. This is the equation, balancing equation. Now here 1 mole, sir, 1 mole oxygen will give 2 into what is the magnesium oxide? Magnesium oxide weight, sir, 24 plus 16. How much will get? Is it 40? 40 grams. So 1 mole will give 2 into 40 grams. Then 5 moles will give how much weight? Because I'm asking amount, that's why, sir. So x equal to 2 into 5 into 40. This many grams you will get, sir. Let me see anything wrong we done or you are getting correct, sir. If you also getting correct answer means my answer also correct. Okay, understood? If you are not getting, let me know. We'll try again one more time. So 400. Someone they said not getting. Please find what's your mistake, sir. Simply I done equation here. Magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. Did you got how to write? Just balancing equation, sir. First write magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. I know this is 1 mole of, in front of oxygen, how much is there? 1 mole. 1 mole will give how much? 2 into, what is the weight of magnesium oxide? 40. Because question is how much amount? That's why, sir, I'm taking weight. Okay. We are doing mole weight relation. That's why. This is mole and this is weight. In the question I mentioned 5 moles of oxygen, how much will form magnesium oxide? 1 mole will give 2 into 40, then 5 moles will give how much? Then cross multiplication. Just cross multiplication, you can get, I think so 400 grams is the answer. You're not getting 400. Everything in front of you screen only. I balanced the equation. 1 mole you will give 2 into 40 grams. 40 is the weight of magnesium oxide. Then 5 moles will give how much? I will simply vegetable calculations. Na? What's the difficult here? Array, all are vestibular fruit market calculations. But we are science, that's why I'm taking 0.4, 0.5 grams. That is the only difference. Clear? What is the second model, sir? One more model we mentioned. Yes, sir. Mole volume relation. Mole volume relation. Mole volume relation, right? means they will give mole and volume, they can ask problems. Or if you are able to understand, then I will start. 4 minutes only time is there, but we'll try. If you are not getting also, don't worry that one. Clear? 1 mole of ideal gas at STP, how much, sir? Volume 22.4 liters. Is it correct? Or this we called molar volume. I think it's already given. Molar volume also same, 22.4 liters. Any doubts are here? So now they will give moles, they can ask volume. For example, H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl. Assume that one, all these are ideal gas and all are gases. This is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, this is 2 moles. They make an ask, this is mole, mole and volume. 2 moles means 1 mole is 22.4 liter, then 2 moles means how much, sir? 2 into 22.4 liter. Clear? Otherwise you may can write here also. 1 mole means 22.4 liters. This is also 22.4 liters. They make an ask volume, either moles, anything, sir. This is the basic data you can find. If right, this is we can do next step. Because we are assuming ideal gas. We are assuming ideal condition. Shall we move next? Array, you can guess question also, na? What's the problem? I am going to be ask you 2 moles of H2 reacting with HCl. How many liters of HCl will form? You can guess question also. Array, correct only. 2 HCl. You can take 2 into HCl. Okay. 2 into mole this is. Okay. 2 into 22.4 liter. You can't write directly 44, 48 something. 2 moles this is. Please find what you done mistake. Array, this is one compound. Don't separate. Now I got some people your doubt. HCl is one compound. Don't think H2 and Cl2 still. H2 character is different. Cl2 character is different. HCl is character is different. Think about only mole. HCl is the one compound. Don't come to back again H and Cl characters. H and Cl characters is different. Clear? HCl character is different. Don't think that one. Think everyone in terms of moles. What they given in front of that. That's the only point. Don't mix reactant and product. When you are solving, see all are individually. All are individual. Doesn't matter what they are doing. After combining, they will lose their identity. You don't need to think that one. H2Cl2 gives rise to HCl. H2 character is different, Cl2 character is different, HCl character is different. There is no relation between any of these three. Cl2 is gas, H2 is gas, HCl is liquid or gas also can exist. Then all these characters is different. So when you are solving problem, whatever the reactant product is there, all are different. Again, don't mix each other. You have to think in front of them how many moles is there, what is their molecular weight. All are individual. Please note this point. Because first time you are seeing that one, maybe there is a problem in live classes. Maybe you can get this type of doubts very easily. Because you are typing, I am reading. Even sometime I am not able to see that one, skipping that one. That is the reason. Yes, HCl is separate gas and its volume is 22.4 liters if 1 mole. Sir, any other? Sir, 1 mole of Avogadro's law I explained. At the time I given 1 mole of ideal gas occupies 22.4 liters at STP condition. Please read that one. Who is that? Deva Darshan. Please read molar volume. I mentioned very clearly. Please refer your class notes first. Or you can take break. Who have doubts, you can stay. Please take break. Please refer your class notes also once, then you may not be get any doubts, sir, if you read our class notes. Who are coming late next time, please come fast. Okay, because of you only 10 minutes you are losing every class. If the 10 minutes you are providing for doubts, that's too good for us. Understood? I think so you have my number, you may can send doubts separately. Or you can send tomorrow. I think so tomorrow you are free, me also free. Please send, that is we can see our windows also. Please someone they send the request. Thank you. We can do tomorrow.